Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be exploring advanced features of Discourse. Mostly we will be looking at the student's perspective since this is a Discourse for Students series. I will be showcasing you the most advanced features that can help you in productizing your day and get most out of Discourse. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into it. So guys, as you can see, I am on this features page of discourse.org and here are all the features. So the way I will be exploring it is I will be telling you all the features from this page and moving on to this forum to show you how to apply those. So without further ado, let's look at all the features that are present. So the first feature that we are going to see is called single sign-on. It simply says seamlessly integrate Discourse with your existing site login system with easy or reverse single sign on. So example can be a Code Academy website. Here you can just paste your username or email address to just log into your Discourse forum. So let's move on to our second feature, which is trust system. Again, this is an admin setting, so we are going to ignore it, but here is a snapshot of what it has to offer. As a member become trusted regulars over time, they earn abilities to help and maintain their community. So as you become a member and keep interacting with Discourse community, you will get certain abilities that will help you to maintain that community. Now, the third feature that comes here is called community moderation. Community moderation simply means you need to moderate the community. So Discourse actually helps you to moderate your community in very easy and meaningful way. They give it the power to the users. So the way it works is like you can click on any of the topic. Let's say we click on feedback on degree level courses, and here you have this three dot button. You can click on this three dot button and you can click on this flag button and it says off topic, inappropriate, spam or something else. If you click on something else, you can specify what is the wrong with this topic and you can click on message. Once there are enough messages, these all will be deleted automatically. So this is pretty clear from this side. Now let's move on to our next feature. The next feature that comes is called spam blocking. This is very similar to community moderation again, but here you have this one especially for spam protection. So once if you write something that does not follow the standard of the Discourse community, you will automatically be blocked. All the features that it offers are user flag blocking, standard no follow. You will automatically be blocked using this estimate spam protection. Next feature that comes here is the fifth one, which is social login. And in social login, it simply says easily add common social logins like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and GitHub. Now, if I click on this Discourse page and I click on this logout button, I am just logged out. Now, if I want to log in, since this is a student forum, that's why we need to provide it using this student ID. I log in and I can simply log in. You can see how simple it is to just log in on the forum itself without having to enter any username or password. So this is single sign in for you. Let's now move on to our next feature, which is the sixth one, which is called summarize topic. This is something very relevant and very important because you can't see in most of the forums, and it simply says use the summarize button to condense long topic to just the most interesting and popular post. So rather than explaining what this means, I am just going to show you how this works. I am just going to open a simple page. So if you see, I am this page and here there are a lot of replies. So this is from April 2021. So you can scroll through all of these using this slide. But what if you only want to get the relevant information? So here if you click, see, there is called summarize this topic button. You can click on the summarize this topic and that's it. All your topics are summarized and you are only seeing the relevant ones. That's what it means by summarize this topic. And this is very native to Discourse. It is not available on the other forums as I have checked till now. If it is there, you can comment it down and let me know. Anyways, let's move on to our next feature, which is feature number 7. So the feature number 7 is badges. So what is badges? Badges are basically proof of work that you do in a particular community to showcase your work or your efforts. They provide you with badges. So they just encourage the positivity in the community behaviors. So for batches, all you need to do is to complete certain set of tasks. Like for example, editor. This badge is granted for the first time you edit one of your posts. If you want to check all the batches, just click on this hamburger icon, click on the batches, and here all the batches are. Whatever batches that you have received will be marked tech. Okay, so that's it for this batches. Now let's move on to the feature number 8. Feature number 8 is pretty clear, called emojis, and I have already shown you how to add emojis in previous tutorial. Go and watch that if you haven't watched it. I will link it in the description, or you can find it at the top also. Next is reply via. This feature is feature number 9, and what this allows you to do is you get notified on your email if you don't be present on Discourse. Now next is official plugin. Again, this is for the admin ones, but we have already seen some like chat integration, topic voting, Google AdSense also you can add. You can click on this officially supported plugins to check out all the plugins. So they have. And there are additional features. Let's review each of them one by one now. For the additional features, we are only going to focus this discuss part. And in this, here is anonymous posting. So you can post anonymous file attachment. We have already seen hide spoilers. Again, we have seen. I will provide all the links to this video even at the top. Also, it is visible, or you can check it out in the description. We have entire playlist for that. Desktop notifications, auto save drafts, post revision history. So again, this should be enabled by admin. Personal messaging. Next feature is drag and drop image, already seen, and collaborative of edit wiki. Now let's summarize whatever we have done. Now the first one is conversation, not pages. So it simply says that you don't have to move to new pages each time you click on any topic. So every topic has a page for itself, but for replies you don't have a page. So that what's it, and you can check this. You can see this last video. So it automatically updates. This just to the power of in-time recording, which even Instagram and Facebook use to refresh your live feed. So next feature is dynamic notification. We have already seen that if someone quotes your post or mention your name or reply to your post, then it will automatically be notified. And again, if you are not around, then you will also get an. Next is simple but content. Now, Discourse is a simple flat forum where replies slow down the page in line, expand context at the bottom and top of without losing your taste. For example, if I click on this categories, let's say some big categories. For example, they have replied, but it's not visible. So you can click on this reply, and you can see that you haven't lost your position where you were. You were just going to go down and just read it, and then just again collapse it. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial series. I hope that you enjoyed it a lot. Do share it with others. If you have any suggestions, drop it down in the comment section below, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because next time I will be bringing you Web3 content from the scratch. I will see you in the next video on another time. Thanks for watching.